In this video, I will show you how to automatically number items in Microsoft Word so the numbers update themselves when you add or delete text. So here I'm on Word document and these are the items that I would like to number. So to do this, you first highlight the items that you like to number, just like I'm doing. After highlighting, you ensure that your word is on the home page. After that, you go to your numbering format, click on it, and here you have options as to which one you prefer. You may prefer the ABCD format, the 1, 2, 3, the III. Whichever format you prefer, you can select that. I want to use Arabic numerals, so I'll select that. Here you have it. The items have been numbered. Now what makes it automatic is that when you add an item or delete any item, the numbering will automatically update itself. For instance, if I want to add an item after the number 2, I put the cursor after the item, enter, and you can see that automatically I've gotten 3 and the 3 have shifted to 4. For instance, let's say, let me keep something like a book there. Then when you come to the ending part 2, if you want to add something, you just put the cursor at the end of the item, you enter, and the numbering will continue. Here too, I'll just insert something like a book. It's the same way when you delete an item, the numbering will still automatically update itself. Thank you for watching.